Hi, I'm Courtney Tucker, an online health and fitness coach and a certified personal trainer. Today we're going to talk about myofascial release. Fascia is the internal connective tissue that wraps around our organs, connecting them to our muscles and bones. It's similar to a spider web in appearance and covers every inch of our bodies. The purpose of fascia is to stabilize and protect our muscles as we go about our day. Fascia is meant to be flexible, but can become tight, inflamed, or dehydrated. Myofascial release is the technique of applying gentle, sustained pressure into the fascia. There are a couple of tools you can use for myofascial release. Foam rollers are probably the most common tool. They vary in length, density, and texture. The smooth, low-density rollers are gentler, while the dense and/or bumpy ones provide more intense pressure. The ridges on foam rollers allow you to target a concentrated area. Regardless of which roller you choose, they can all be used in the same ways. Applying heat first helps to warm up the fascia. Before you start rolling, be sure that area is warm. The fascia is more pliable and easier to release if it's warm. You can do this by applying heat to the area for 2 to 3 minutes. Lie on your side with the roller underneath you, perpendicular to your body, and just underneath your hip bone. Move your top leg forward and place that foot on the floor for balance. You will also use this foot to help adjust pressure. Slowly roll down the side of your leg until you hit a sensitive spot or a trigger point. Pause here, adjusting pressure until you are just shy of pain. Remember, we want to keep your muscles relaxed so they will allow the fascia to release. If you are in pain, everything will tense up and no progress will be made. Hold here until you feel the tight spot release. You will notice the foam roller sink deeper into your leg as this happens. It can take anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes. Continue to roll until you reach just above the knee, then go back to the top. Go back and forth, pausing at any sensitive spots, adjusting pressure accordingly, and waiting for the release. Once you can roll slowly up and down the length of the IT band smoothly without pain, repeat on the other leg. Another area that often becomes inflamed and can benefit from foam rolling is the quadriceps muscles. You will roll them similarly to the IT bands. Lie on your stomach with the foam roller underneath the top of one leg. Position the other leg off to the side for support and come up onto your hands. Slowly move the roller down your leg until it's just above your knee. Like before, you will pause at any tight spots, adjust pressure, and wait for the knot to release. Continue up and down your quadriceps muscles until you feel no tightness. To roll your calves, sit on your bottom and place one leg on top of the foam roller. Position it just below the knee. Your hands will go on the floor by your sides. Come up onto your hands, lifting your bottom off the floor to apply more pressure. Slowly roll the foam roller down the length of your calf muscles until you reach your ankle. Again, pause and hold at any knots until you feel them release. When you can roll smoothly down the length of your entire calf muscle, switch legs. You may want to use a denser foam roller for the calves than you used for the IT bands and the quadriceps because you have less body weight to help apply pressure here. It is not recommended to foam roll your low back, and this is a common mistake I often see. Although people think they are helping their low back pain, they are likely making it worse. When you position a roller on your low back, you put your spine in an unnatural position, which can actually make the problem worse. Low back pain is typically the result of tightness in other areas, such as your hip flexors, glutes, or quads. Foam rolling these areas can help to relieve your low back pain. All forms of myofascial release toxins into your body, so it is important to drink plenty of water after doing any of these techniques.